So in this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove or change email address on LinkedIn. The first thing you do is open up your LinkedIn app, and then you tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, tap on settings at the bottom, then you tap on account preferences, which is the first option. Next you tap on name, location and industry. Next tap on the three dots here, tap on it, and then tap on contact information. Then you can see the email here. You can see the email. So what you do is don't tap on it, tap on the pen icon, and then go to your email. You can see the email over here. Tap on the email. This is your primary email. Then you tap on add email address. So once you've done that, you tap on add email address. Then go through all this, sign up and everything, and once you've done, tap on save. It's as simple as that.